Welcome to the in front of my Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store, and then here on the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. If you want, you can use the pen here or your fingers, that doesn't matter. I'll use my the pen. It's a little bit easy for me to use pen than the fingers. And now just here click yes, I agree, pick close, and here on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see here, we got this section with the temperature of our battery, and that's 27 and 4 degrees. Also we got here another info about our battery level, health, capacity, and more information, and also the information about the Android version, model of our device, and more another info. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.